and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make 4 3D capybara fruit paper squishies. Yes guys, 4 paper squishies. This is supposed to be like a little capybara fruit series, so I decided to make 4 of them. As you guys can see, I made a strawberry, an orange, a green apple, and a watermelon. All of these squishies are 3D and they're super easy to make. So let's just get started with the tutorial. The materials you'll be needing is paper, clear tape, scissors, a pencil, some markers or colored pencils, some stuffing, and a ruler if you have one. So for my inspiration, I went onto Pinterest and looked up some capybara in fruit because I thought this was such a cute idea. I am going to be making 4 mini ones, so I'll be doing a strawberry, a green apple, an orange, and then I think the last one I'm going to change it into a watermelon. I'm going to start off by taking my first piece of paper and folding it in half. You guys already know that I always do this with all of my paper squishies because it's easier to do the front and the back. Also gonna grab another piece of paper because I'm gonna do 2 on each. So we're just gonna fold the second one. So I'm just starting off by drawing 2 squares on this piece of paper because I want all of my squishies to be the same size, and these are just gonna be some guidelines. Okay, so here's how our squares are looking so far. Now I'm gonna take my other piece of paper and do the same exact thing. So I'm just going in and marking all of the line placements first and then tracing them out just so everything is straight and even. Now we should have 4 equal boxes on our 2 sheets of paper. Starting off with the strawberry, I'm just gonna go in and kind of do like a heart shape, and we're just gonna do a little point at the bottom just so it can have that true strawberry shape. Now for the actual capybara, we're going to make the face shape a little bit like a potato because, I don't know, it just kind of looks like a potato to me. So we're going to start with the top of the head and then kind of round out to make the chubby cheeks. So we're just going to make it big like this. We're going to move on to the ears, and they have like little circles. The face is really easy, so for the strawberry we're just gonna do like a little cute face on it. So the eyes are just gonna be straight little lines like this, and then the snout has like this circle shape in the middle, nostrils, and the little snout. And off to the bottom we can actually just make the little leaves. Now let's move on to the orange. This time we're going to just do a regular circle shape, and we're basically gonna do the same thing for the head again. I'm just gonna draw these eyes like to an angle this time, and then the little snout right in the middle. And this capybara is gonna have like extra chubby cheeks, so we're just going to draw the little cheeks like this, like it's maybe it's eating an orange. I forgot to do like this little detail on the ear, so we could just do it right now on here and then also on the strawberry. And I'm just gonna draw the little stem for the orange because oranges also have like little leaves on top, so we're just gonna draw that out real quick. Okay, now it's time to draw the apple and the watermelon. It's kind of gonna look more elongated. I think this face is gonna look really funny because the mouth is gonna be open and it's kind of gonna look like mad, but in a cute way. So the main part of the face is going to be the mouth, so I'm just gonna draw the little snout thing right here in the middle because it's gonna be pretty big. And then we're gonna do another like mountain shape right here, and then we're gonna do the little tongue, then the little buck teeth that go out from the front, and the little eyes that are like squinting. Gonna be like that. We can't forget the top of the apple, so we're just going to draw the stem and a little leaf. Last but not least, let's make the watermelon. So we're just going to make it into a triangle shape. Now that our sketches are all done, I'm just going to take my markers and color them all in. Alright guys, so we're about halfway done on coloring our capybara. So we did the strawberry and the orange. Now it's time to do the apple and the watermelon. Now that all of our capybaras are fully covered, we're now going to turn them around and do the same thing on the back with just a solid color. So as you guys can tell, we can see like the edges of all of our little fruits. So we're just going to take a pencil, making sure we're really careful. Now that we have all of the fronts and backs colored of our 4 capybara fruits, we're gonna take some clear tape and laminate all of it. Now let's cut them out. Now it's time to make the sides of the squishies. I'm gonna divide the strips of paper into 4. So I'm just gonna fold it to the thickness that I want. And then I'm gonna go accordion style and fold the opposite way and just make a fold. And then again, do the same thing. So now when we open it up, we should have 4 equal sides and a little extra on the edge of the paper. And I'm just gonna color each strip of paper based on the fruit we're going to make the sides for. Guys, so after a bunch of taping and a lot of patience, we have all of the shells of our paper squishy. Now we're just left with the easy part, and we're just going to stuff all of the paper squishies. Once they're all stuffed, we just need to tape them shut. Alright guys, so I finished taping all of my squishies, and now the last part is to put the little stems on the fruit. So first we're just gonna do the orange. It's 3D and it's super nice. Okay, next we're gonna tape on the apple stem. So we're just going to put a little piece of tape right here. Now our paper squishy is complete. We're finally done with all of our squishies. I think my watermelon is my favorite, to be honest. It's the most squishy and airy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to comment down below which capybara fruit was your favorite. Either the strawberry, the orange, the green apple, or the watermelon. I love you guys so much, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!